their side and eating fruit.
It's just time for the gym. Gym time. Okay, kids. Now then, God.
Mom, you should stop. You only use it for a video.
You want to make a video?
Yeah, but it's a funny video. It's going to be on over there. Got it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. So, hello people. I know we have to. Okay. So wait. Okay. There's Allie. Where? I Lucas. That's Daddy. That's wait. There's Daddy in work. And me. This is where our shoes is. Well, okay. We're going to move to a different house. I'll call you right in a second when we're ready. That. But it's going to be a long time. Okay. We'll be back in a second. Got it. So, hello people. I'm going to be making something these are the pieces I have.
Lily!
Let's see if I can control the door control.
You want me kisses?
You
don't want to bring me kisses?
Nah. I'm going to put this right here. So, this door, that door is not. But I don't really have many pieces to make a good house. But at least I have a lot. This part, perfection. And hey, Emil, stop it. So I'll leave that after. Okay, just gonna show you that now. Here, another door, and that's it. My perfect thing. We'll see you later. Cuckoo. Hey you guys, Lily's walking. She's so adorable. What?
Not on her own.
True. Let me holding on.
Let's see if you can do it.
No.
Oh my God!
Need my help, Lily?
Oh my.
Yeah. What's wrong?
Yeah, perfect. They want me to perfect. You can sit right here. So you can fall right off. Where'd I go? Where'd I go? She wants to go. We gotta figure out how to go. Don't lick the thing. Okay, Lily. Wanna go on top? Say hi, Mommy.
Oh goodness, that she's too high. It's so scary for me.
It's not scary at all. Push.
Okay, fine. Give her 3 pushes.
Dun 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 dun. And that's crazy. It's crazy. It's crazy. It's crazy. We're just gonna leave this video right now.